Today, we're learning how to add a fade transition to make your video edits smoother and more professional. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline and make sure your clips are arranged properly. Now, go to the Transitions panel, which you can find at the top. In the search bar, type fade and you'll see different fade transition options. To add the transition, simply drag and drop it between two clips on the timeline. You'll notice that Filmora automatically blends the two clips, creating a smooth fade effect. If you want to add a fade in or fade out to a single clip, drag the fade transition to the beginning or end of the clip instead of between two clips. To customize the transition, click on it in the timeline. In the right side editing panel, you can adjust the duration by extending or shortening the transition. This lets you control how fast or slow the fade effect appears. Once you are happy with the transition, preview your video to see how it looks. You can always go back and tweak the settings to match your editing style. And that's it. You've successfully added a fade transition in Filmora. This simple effect can make your videos look more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips